Welcome to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap / chassis swap. And on this episode, we are working on chopping the Tahoe pretty much in half. Woo! And if you haven't seen previous episodes of this build, we had a crashed Lamborghini Urus and we're combining it with this Chevy Tahoe to make a beautiful baby. If you want to see everything and all the details and all the episodes that we've shot so far, you can check out the playlist in the description below.
We're gonna do some weight reduction modifications to the Uro project, and we're gonna make it a convertible today.
Nice.
No, not convertible. It'll be a, what is it? Because we can't convert it back once we're done.
True.
Roadster?
Roadster, that's
Roadster
it.
Tahoe.
That's
Yeah.
it.
So we're going full roadster on this thing, no turning back. We're sending it.
Sweet.
So, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, we have a few days of sun in Vancouver area, so
we're inspired.
Inspired to
Yeah, we
make
gotta-
a hardtop
Yeah.
convertible.
Yeah, we're gonna not turn. We're never mind.
So what is the first step?
We're gonna lay some tape out, and then we're gonna just start cutting things off.
Nice.
So,
I'm ready. Put me in, coach. I'm ready.
Do we need to measure at least, or?
Measuring? Nah,
oh, man.
nah. This isn't that project.
Okay, we gotta leave a little bit of a header above the windshield.
Yeah, obviously. It's got to hold the window in.
Oh yeah.
On that side and the same
But I think we're gonna just cut this off right down here, and we're gonna
We
eliminate.
gotta figure out the seatbelt height on this thing.
What?
So let's make a
Seatbelts?
mark. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Safety sometimes, right?
We don't got all the controls working.
And what about the C-pillar?
C-pillar we're gonna have to leave a little bit. Why? Because the seatbelt goes in with the C-pillar.
And
So
just.
we're gonna have like a Lando lay kind of vibe.
I think we should just send it. It's gonna look kind of goofy, I
You're
think.
the
With.
one sitting in the back, so if that's what you want.
Oh yeah, we can have 2-point seatbelts. It's fine. And we're not. It's not gonna be. I think we should just cut it. Honestly,
Cut it?
just send it. Yeah, it's easier.
We're going for lap. We have lap belts.
Yeah,
We have lap belts.
2-point seatbelts is fine. We don't need three.
We're gonna have that full bathtub vibe then.
Yeah, we don't need safety. It'll be
That's a little
fine.
funky right there, man. But I guess it is what it is.
Yeah.
But what else could we potentially do? Just make it like a 4-door
I
Targa?
think we should cut it here.
4-door
I
Targa?
think it would look cool. Come on. Oh, yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, like just cut the middle first.
Yeah. Let's make it a fucking Targa top.
Yeah, let's cut across here.
Yeah, just right across there.
We'll
Leave the back half.
on for now.
Come on.
Come on,
There's
man.
no.
True, we can
gonna
always
look
cut it
stupid
off.
no matter what. It's gonna be sick.
It's not gonna be sick, man.
I mean,
No.
sick is a relative term.
It's gonna make you want to throw up.
Imagine getting to do this to customer cars. How easy life would be.
If we do this, we might open up a whole new market. A whole new market.
Yeah, 'cause people don't care what looks like. It just gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we don't cut a wire that makes the car not work anymore.
That's a future TFC problem.
Yeah.
Right now, we're just cutting.
I don't think there's any of those in the roof.
As long as the engine runs, we're laughing. Come on over here to the set aside. I can't wait to have my hair flowing in the breeze. No matter what, it still seems kind of wrong and it kind of hurts a little.
Nah, it doesn't hurt me. I guess I'm not doing the cutting.
Doesn't hurt me at all. Okay, hop up there and whack that back.
That doesn't seem very. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I can't guarantee that this sunroof won't explode.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah, the sunroof might go toast.
Because like there's a lot of vibration.
Do you want to
And
cover it with like a rag or something?
Close up, it's even better.
Okay.
Just keep the camera on it.
I'm gonna step away a little bit.
Why?
I don't want to get glass in my eyes.
Oh.
You guys don't even have safety glasses on.
Yeah, I got my squints on.
Okay. Oh shoot! Oh my god!
Yeah.
Wow.
I need a moment. I need an assistant. Okay, I definitely see some chopped wires.
Oh
No
no!
surprise.
Oh shoot! That's
I
a
got it.
lot of chopped wire.
Yo, look at that.
That is beautiful.
Say, that's a Tahoe target top.
We are not offering target top conversions on Tahoe, so don't get any wild ideas.
Yo, that's a lot of wires that got cut. But I'm just gonna guess it's just climate control.
Climate control.
Rear climate control.
Nice.
Hopefully no fuel lines or anything runs.
Lines in the ceiling?
You don't know, GM might have done some wild stuff.
That's not a GM thing.
Yeah.
That's like some kind of French car. but
Okay.
True.
What do we got here?
climate control.
Nice.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Nah.
Well,
If you want this,
weight
come
savings.
get it.
Yeah.
Hey, no charge.
You'll find it right over there on the ground. We'll put it outside the shop.
I wasted all that money on a Porsche.
Yeah, you could have just done this.
Just done this. Twin turbos, 1,000 horsepower.
Okay. Well, that's good. That everything still rolls down.
Boy, it's hot, man.
Yeah, it's
hot.
so hot.
Can't even put my knee down on top. Okay, I'm gonna need that door to be opened up, please.
That's amazing.
What the heck is going on here?
We were doing so good till you got here.
Who?
You.
We should do,
Me?
we should do serious stuff around here.
Well respected in the industry. I'm getting verbally abused on the internet. I'm hacking cars apart. It's like
Yeah.
meeting that one friend that gets you to try crack.
just a little taste.
do it.
Exactly.
I was looking at it and I was like, man, I don't know if I can get down with this level of jankiness. it's hard, man. It's like a contradiction.
I didn't want to scratch the dash.
Oh, you want to scratch the paint? I see.
Smart.
Yeah.
This thing's
Mint.
limited edition.
Nice. Cargo.
Tahoe?
That's nice.
I like it.
Shouldn't we have disconnected the battery first before
There's nothing there.
cutting? Just in case wires.
It's got fuses. It'll be okay.
That's fine.
It's only the airbag.
This makes you feel
I
alive.
forgot about the airbag sensor.
Yeah.
That would have made the video real exciting.
Oh shoot! Doesn't it have
Man, I hope-
side airbags or
I hope
no?
This isn't one of those situations.
No. Okay.
I think they.
No. No, there's no way for them to explode
No,
out.
they're
so
in the
there's
seat.
none.
These ones, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you're
Yeah,
good.
we're good. We're good.
Just cut it.
I am honestly a little bit worried about the glass, but I'm gonna try to sneak up on it a little bit. I don't want to break it.
That's awesome.
Yes. He's good.
Oh shoot! That thing looks like it's just gonna fall.
Whoa.
Okay.
Almost done.
The other B pillar.
The other bay pillar.
Words are hard, okay? We've established this. They're not my thing.
Oh! I'm surprised it did not break. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, open the door. This thing's ready to fall off, so.
Yeah.
Hey, grab the other side. Let's lift her out.
Nice.
Sweet. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Rob, we need a
Yeah,
little
I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, I got this end. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
I like it. I think we should keep
Actually
it like
not
this.
It won't fold in half.
No.
Ready for the club.
Can't wait to go for a ride.
Immediately jail.
Immediately jail. And I will be doing the cutting because Rob's wrist hurts.
What? Come on, you make me out like that?
No,
No, you just want to get.
I just want to do
you
it. I want to do it.
partake
It
in
looks like a
this.
lot of fun.
It is fun. So. All right, Elvis.
Oh, this is kind of weird.
You've been talking about body swapping and
Yep.
chopping for a long time, so now it's your time.
Yeah.
This is your time.
Probably need safety glass. Ah, it's fine. I'm kind of getting scared that we're getting close to this glass.
What are you scared of, Elvis?
I think I'm gonna destroy my eyeballs.
Just don't hit the glass, you'll be fine. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
A wise man told me once,
Yeah?
let the tool do the work, don't be the tool working.
Steve. Yeah, I guess so. What? Oh shoot.
What happened, Elvis? What happened?
The blade came off.
The blade came off. Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Whew. Say hello to my little friends.
Yeah, dude. Sold me.
That was terrible.
No, that was, yeah, it kind of was, but
Blade
it's okay.
kind of looks like it's seen better days,
It has.
but we're just gonna keep
Let's see.
chugging.
How did we decide to do this out here in the hot sun? Like the first
Don't
hottest
blame
balls
me.
day here.
You're
Also
the
needs
only
to
guy
smoke
that's
more.
not complaining that it's hot.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's glorious. My skin is just having an amazing time
Yeah.
right now.
I couldn't even imagine like whistling Diesel cutting, like chopping up Ferraris and whatever he's doing. That's nutty, man. I don't have it in my soul to do it. I don't care how much money you have.
This is wrong.
Nah, it's very right.
bubbles.
It's glorious.
There's something very wrong about it.
It's amazing.
We're doing it anyways, putting ourselves in an uncomfortable place. Should be it. Let it rip, man.
Sunday. Actually, I'm gonna move backwards. Oh my gosh.
That's not even that bad at all. Yo, that was like very anticlimactic.
I know, right? Oh gosh.
Wish we were doing a burnout at the same time. That would have been sick.
Nice. Dang, there's glass everywhere now.
Full drop top.
It's all in the cheese. This is fine. I got a guy for that.
I kind of liked it more as a Targa, boys. But
know, man. If we
now
get
it's
the
full
back seat-
roadster. Okay, let it go. I don't know,
Nice.
man. That seemed pretty satisfying.
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah. I think I'm pretty much at the end of my day for today, boys.
Yeah, I'm freaking spent.
I'm
as
done.
they say.
I'm done. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, you dig?
Yeah, it's sick. We just need to weld that up, weld that back on.
Yeah. Just cap it.
Put a ratchet strap on here into the back. Fucking good to go.
And with that said, I think that will do it for this video. We have accomplished quite a bit. I mean, we've turned it to a convertible. And we haven't still taken it for a drive yet, though. I think we're gonna do that before we cut off the rest of the body and put the Urus on top of this thing. We still need to have fun in this a little bit. So we're gonna probably in the next video take it for a test drive, see how it drives now, how much weight that it's lost. I feel like it's going to feel quite a bit faster. Now that the body, pretty much half of the body is cut off. We are getting so close to mounting this, to getting this whole body off and mounting the Urus on top. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.